Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see some different means nowadays we are using local server, right, that is XAMPP. So today I'll show you how to install the XAMPP server and how to use that XAMPP server, and suppose I'll show you some database like how to import database into in XAMPP server. Okay, so for that, to install XAMPP, what we need to do, we need to go in Google, just type here XAMPP. Okay, because why it is important, because to run any local project, suppose if you have any project, if you want to run that in locally, that time XAMPP server is very important. Means no need of online server, right? Here you can test and then after that you can upload or deploy in online. So for to create any local projects, so it is very good, that is XAMPP. Okay, so in XAMPP, go in downloads, then see here you will see all the versions of XAMPP. Okay, so you try to choose a latest version only. Okay, so because it will be having more features, right? So try to choose latest only. So here you can see here 8.1.6 is the latest version. Okay, so whenever you will click on download, it will download the XAMPP. Okay, see here, that will be application file, that is executable file, so you can save and it will get saved. Okay, so after installation, see it is getting downloading, so this will be saved in a in that folder where I have downloaded. Okay, so what I will do, already I have installed, like, so I'll pause this because already I have them. See, I'll show you the process. I'll tell you the process after installation. See, once the XAMPP is installed, after that you need to click on that is executable file. Then it will ask the terms and conditions that you need to do. You need to select the server, whichever server you needed. Then you go to next. Then it will get installed. Okay. After installation, what will happen? You will see like this. Okay. See, it is turned on. I'll make it stop. So you will see the like this window. Okay, after installation, here you can see Apache server is there, MySQL is there, FileZilla is there, Mercury is there, Tomcat, all servers are there. This, it will show while installation whether you need or not. Whichever server you need, you can tick mark and you can go further. Okay, so see here, these all are the server modules, then PID is the process IDs, then here it is port is there. Okay, so see what I will do, I will start the Apache server. So you can see here, you can see your port, your port is which one, 80 port is there. Okay, so whenever you will click on here, suppose if I go in config and Apache, you can see here port number also. See here the port is 80. Suppose if you want to change the port 8080, that also you can do and save. I'll stop and I'll start on. You can see the port is changed, right? It is 8080. So like that you can change the port also. I'll make earlier what it was, that is 80. Okay, where it gone? See, okay, I'll make it 80 only and I'll save. And this is a MySQL. Okay, whenever you will start, it will go in MySQL. This is also server. Okay, so after start, it will also show the port. It will take some time. Okay, see here it is 3306. Suppose if you want to change, you can go in config file and you can change here. Okay, suppose after that, whenever you will click on admin, it will show the admin panel, means admin panel of Apache. It is localhost, it is loading. It will show just the information, okay, not more things. It is not showing. Wait. Okay, here you can see, where it gone. Okay, whenever we'll click on admin, it will open the admin panel. Earlier it was not happening because I have started and again I have changed that port, but I have not restarted. So suppose if you change any port, then that time you need to again stop and again you need to start. Okay, I have done that, so it was showing like this page. Then next, what see, this is what I told you, Apache. Okay, admin panel. See here, full form of Apache. M is MariaDB, P is PHP, P is Perl. Okay, next, see MySQL. Whenever you will click on admin, you will see the database, means all the data sets you can see here. These all are the databases. Okay, now I'll show you how to import the data externally. Suppose if you want to take any database here, then what you need to do, you need to go in new, give any database name, like I'll give book for example. Okay, for example I'll give book. Okay, now my database is created. The database name is what, book. Suppose if you want to import, just go in import and choose file. Okay, in downloads I have one SQL file, that is a database file, that I'll take. SQL. mm, let's search here. It was there. See, these are the SQL files, these are the database. Okay, so I'll take this sabji wala book, this I'll take, open. So what I'm doing, I'm taking database externally. Okay, here. Then I have chosen, then what I will do, I'll do go. So whenever you will do go, it will take that database here, it will create. So it will take some time in process it is. See, now you can see here book is my database name, and here these all are the tables and table name all are created. See, okay, so like this you can easily import the external database in this PHP admin. Okay, so suppose if the data is of a large MB, then it will take more time. Okay, so remember that. So I hope you got this about the XAMPP, how to use and how to import the database. So if you like this video, then please like and like to our channel and video, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.